Alice here, welcome back to another video. So today's video I hope is going to be kind of a quick one, but I'm just going to be sharing with you how I made my iPhone screen and applets and everything look all pretty and pink and aesthetic. This is something that I have wanted to do with my phone to like personalize it and give it my own little touch for so many years, but iPhone has been so limited with the kind of personalization you can do. So I am so happy that now it's finally possible to make your screen look really beautiful thanks to the iOS 14 update. So keep watching to find out how to make your screen all pretty and aesthetic, perfect for you. Okay, so this is what my phone looks like right now. So this is the front page. I have my little widgets in there, I have the pretty pictures, and I have like the date and the time at the top, which is super useful just to be able to see. And then I have some more pictures, and as you can see, all my applets are like a beautiful pink watercolor background with the gold icons, which looks so cute, and I'm just really in love with this. It just makes my heart feel so good seeing all of this pink everywhere. So this is the decoration that I've done with mine. So just keep in mind that this is actually creating shortcuts to the application. So it's going via the shortcut app when clicking on the newly created icon. So keep that in mind. Every time you open an app, it is going to switch to the shortcut app, and then it's gonna go to the actual application. So if you don't like that and you're more for speed, then maybe it's not for you. But if that doesn't bother you, then we can go ahead and get started. So the first thing you want to do is download these three applications. So we have the shortcuts, which should automatically be installed anyway, but if it isn't, you can quickly pop over to the App Store and download that. We need the app Widgetsmith for all those pretty pictures and widgets everywhere, and also the store Etsy. Now if you don't have an account, I recommend making an account on Etsy because it is such a great shop. You are able to find so many things on there, which is super useful. So I recommend getting an Etsy if you don't have one. Anyway, so the first thing we want to do is decide on the color scheme. So for me, I've gone for a pink and gold, obviously. So my front screen is also pink and gold. So you want to go ahead, choose your colors that you want to use, and then make yourself a pretty lock screen background, and then also find a background for the home screen. So I think we should start with Widgetsmith because I think this will give a really good base to kind of give you an idea of what you want to do. So when you open Widgetsmith, you'll see that you have the option of creating small widgets, medium-sized widgets, and also larger ones. And as you can see, I've already gone ahead and I've made lots of pretty pictures and popped them in here, so it would be really easy to go back to them and get them when I'm ready. So for example, you can make a date and then you can choose the widget that you want, the kind of type of date that it shows, like a calendar, or you know, the different kind of styles it has, or you can have just a clock or anything. But there are so many different types of widgets that you can put in each of the sizes, which is really fun because you can customize everything. So you can choose the font, and you can choose like the color of the writing and the border and the background. So it really is a lot of fun to personalize everything that you want. And the same goes for the pictures. Once you've chosen the photo option, you can just scroll down, click on the photo, and select the photo from the bottom, and then you can put in anything you like. So that is a lot of fun. So you can find pictures from anywhere. Obviously you can just find them on the internet, or perhaps you can screenshot some things from Instagram. So it's completely up to you. Then once you've done and you've completed all your widgets, all you want to do is tap and hold on the screen until everything starts wiggling. You click the little cross in the top corner, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and click on Widgetsmith. And then it will show you, do you want small, medium, or large? And then you go for whichever one you want. So I'm going to say large. This is the only one I have, so it automatically pops up with this one. But if you just tap it, a list of the widgets here will come up, and you can choose which one you want to put in. So I'm going to get rid of that for now, but the same goes for all of the sizes, and then you can just put them wherever you want in between the apps. So next, once we've created the widgets, we are going to go ahead and go to Etsy. Etsy is where I got my icons from, so I'm going to share with you a few of the shops that I really like for this. So let's go to my favorites. I found some really cute ones. This is the gold translucent applets that I purchased. So in this pack you get 350 plus icons in this gold color. And these are, if I'm not wrong, the only transparent icons that I could find. However, this seller is amazing because if there are some icons that she doesn't have in this particular pack, she will make you 4 extras for free, which I think is really nice. So I'll leave a link in the description to this seller and this item so you can easily access it. Another one I really like is this pink option here. There are only 70 apples in this, but this is a really cute pink themed icon pack. So this is really nice if you love pink. Here is another one which is a pink and gold themed, which I almost bought, but I decided to make my own by purchasing the translucent pack. So here is another one of my favorites. This is actually an Insta highlights icon pack, but I think you could easily use them as an application icon pack. It gives you plenty of options and you can just use these really cute ones to mix and match to your applications. And there are a few others I found, so I will be leaving a link to the ones that I liked the best in the description so you can easily find them. So the way I personally made mine, because I'm very picky with pinks, I wanted to create a pink and gold aesthetic, but unfortunately there wasn't a perfect pack for my liking with gold icons. So what I decided to do was use this pack here, and I downloaded the icons and then I put my own background on them. So I'm going to show you how I do that as well. So once I downloaded this pack, I actually downloaded them onto my computer and then I just picked out the ones that I would use. But as you can see just here, these are the ones that I picked out from the pack. So I was able to use a Photoshop program to put in the background. So I downloaded all of the stuff from this. So this is all from Etsy, and all I had to do was just put the icon on the background. So the way that I did that is I use an app called Photoshop Mix, and all I had to do was put the background, and I've just layered these little gold stars on top and this pink watercolor background, but this is actually from another shop. This is just like a watercolor pink splodge, so that's all I did. Then I chose the gold application icon, so I put them all in their own folder so it's really easy to find them. So you just layer it on top and then you make it where you want it, and then you just save to camera roll. If you don't have Photoshop, however, you can use the application Phonto. All you have to do is open the background image. So you have to prepare yourself a background image. So I'm going to choose a pink background, for example. So here it is, and then what I need to do is go to add image in the little menu in the corner, and then choose the icon of my choice to add over the top. And then all you need to do is just adjust the size of the image to how big or how small you want it. And then basically it's ready to go. Then you just need to save the image. Once it's been saved, quit out of the app, and then we are going to start applying the applications to our screen and creating the shortcuts. So this is where you're going to want to go to the application shortcuts. So as you can see, I have all of mine here. They're already set up. All you have to do is go to the plus symbol at the top. You want to add a new action. And then here you want to search open app. And this is the action we want. So then you need to choose the app. So I just created the mail icon. So we are going to go for mail. And then you need to click the three little dots in the top. I'm just going to change the color of this so it looks pretty on the back page. And then you go add to home screen. And here is where you choose the photo. So you go to where you saved that previous icon you just made, click it, it will come up, press choose. Then what you want to do is just give it a name. So we are gonna call it email. And then here you can just add a little shortcut name if you want, so you know which one it is when you're looking back at the menu later. And then press done, and it's been added to the home screen. So here it is, just here. So if we click edit home screen, then we can pop it wherever we want. As you can see, I have a little white border on this one. This wouldn't happen if you've already cropped the background to be the exact shape that you want, so be sure to do that. Honestly, I think it looks really cute with the white background because it goes, but just for example, keep that in mind to crop the background before you put the icon on it. So I'm just going to delete that as I don't need it. But that's basically how you create the cute applications to make your screen all pretty and pink. So I hope this was quick and brief enough for you to understand how to create your perfect iPhone screen. So if after watching this video you did go ahead and create your own beautiful personalized iPhone screen, I would love to see that. So feel free to send me a DM on Instagram at @arisucookie, and yeah, I would love to see your own personal iPhone screen that you created. So that's all for this video. I hope you found it useful. I would love to hear from you in the comments, and yeah, I guess until my next video, take care and I'll see you then. Bye bye!